There used to be a man in the city when I was growing up. I don't know whether he's still around, but I was still a child. In my secondary school and I think in my campus early years. He had a white coat. And he would drive a singing bicycle. And he had a basket on his bicycle. And he would sell kabalagala. But everyone would run for that kabalagala. Everyone, including me. When I go to campus, I would leave campus. And I would run to town. In the place where his bicycle would pass, it was a singing bicycle. And I would get, there was nothing like that kabalagala. I only tested it again, I think 2 weeks ago in verses. I had never tested that type of kabalagala. But he only had a bicycle. He would wear a white gown like a doctor, a medical doctor. And his gloves were polythene bags. And he would sell. If you were not early, the kabalagala would be finished. What is that? When people are seated in their restaurants with no customers, people are seated in big hotels, that is the glory. When I would see that kabalagala man, even especially if I was hungry, I would get the joy, like the joy you get when you see your uncle or your auntie who you haven't seen in a long time. The city had the glory. And it was like crystal. I had a relative who owned a restaurant, a takeaway in town. Sometimes we would be seated in that takeaway, and the bicycle would come. My relatives took over the business. I don't know. His son is still in the city. Oh, in a small white car. Okay, it was the father now who had the glory. And all of us would run out. We are seated where there is food, but we are running outside. People are going to run towards you for the glory. The glory cannot be manufactured. The glory cannot be made with money. The glory. No, you cannot beat your shop, cannot beat your restaurant, cannot beat your business. But when you fast and pray for the glory to descend, you will be surprised. May the glory descend. God is about to change your image. He is about to change your representation. The glory covers imperfections. When I'm filled with the glory, it is still me. With my problems, with my weaknesses. But what the glory does, it hides you. It hides your problems. era abamu ku ffe ng'ekitiibwa kyayambuse bwe kiti.
And some of us, if the glory departs,
bannange mujja tuddukako muno okutukyawa mujja tukyawa.
you run away from us and even hate us.
Because we are nothing.
Kubanga tetulina kye tuli.
We will be exposed without the glory of God.
Tujja kwanikibwa watali kitiibwa kya Katonda.